Okay guys, this is the easiest assignment in the world. Now, by looking at this, you may recognize this as Microsoft Paint or MS Paint. So if you're using a PC, Windows computer, you're going to be using Microsoft Paint. To find it, you can just come here to the search bar and search up Paint, and there it is. And then it'll go ahead and open the program. Okay, there's also this 3D paint, but we're not going to worry about that right now. But if you want to explore that, it's kind of neat. And now, if you have a Chromebook, what you guys are going to do is, this is how you find this program. It's called Chrome Canvas. To get here, you go to Google. I know I Googled Google, but you go to Google and this is if you have a school Chromebook. And also, if you have a iPad, you can use this too. What you're going to search for is Chrome Canvas. That should get us there. Chrome Canvas, and it's the first one right here. And this is like a cloud-based version of MS Paint. Okay, and you'll see here that I've already created several, so I'm going to go to a new drawing. And that brings me to here. Now, if you have a MacBook, what you're going to do is well, there's a couple things. I'll put this video which explains how to download it. You're going to download a program called Paintbrush. And this is the website where you go and you click on download and you install this program. But it should look something like this once you have it installed. Very similar to Microsoft Word. Microsoft Paint. So if you have a Mac, you can go this route and download the program, or you could just go ahead and search for Chrome Canvas and use this version. So since most people will be using this one, I'll show you this one and I'll show you Paint. So when you have your drawing app or program in front of you, what we're going to do is draw one of the five following things. You can draw a tree, a volcano, yourself, a pet, or a video game console. So right here we're going to choose a color. I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick tree and choose a nice brown for the tree trunk right there. Okay, draw my tree trunk. Good. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose a green and draw my leaves on the tree. Nice pretty green there. Right there. Now we've got a beautiful tree. Now once you're done drawing either your tree, yourself, a volcano, a pet, or a video game console, you're going to come here and go to the three dots and click Save Image As. So there's the image saved. You'll notice that at the bottom of your browser, and you can open it back up. And it'll open up. Okay, and there's the picture. Now, what you're going to do once you're done is you're going to share this with me. You should have something up here that says share, or some sort of thing that says share. And there I am right there. I don't know if I'll show up on yours, and I'm not sure which one is the correct one, but you're going to share this image with me. You can also look for it on your device somewhere and attach it as a file in the email. Your email subject should say the period you're in, followed by easiest assignment in the world. So if you're in 5th period, you're the subject of the email, or somewhere in there, find a place to put 5th period, easiest assignment in the world, preferably in the subject. Okay, now if you're using Microsoft Paint, it's very similar. Same thing. I'm going to choose a nice brown for the tree trunk right here. Okay, and I'm going to choose a nice green here for the actual tree. The trunk is bigger than the tree. It's kind of weird, I know. And with this one, I'm going to go to File, Save As. Okay, and by default, it saves it as a PNG file, but you can go ahead and change that to a JPEG if you prefer that. And I'm going to call this Big Tree 1. Save it, and you'll notice that if you go to your I don't know where this one would be saved, probably in my documents or my pictures or my downloads, but you have to find that file and attach it to the email. Everybody here should know how to attach a file to an email. If not, you can look at some of my other videos on the YouTube channel. And again, you're going to put the subject, 5th period, easiest assignment in the world. Once you draw that, and the reason why we're doing this is because I need to make sure that everybody can draw. Once I know that everybody has an app that they can draw on, we're going to do some more assignments with this, integrating Microsoft Word and things like that. So that's why we're doing this, if you all are wondering. But it's an easy 100. So I'm going to put all the links to download all the programs, and including this video, in the Google Classroom, maybe even an example. And so that's it, guys. Get to work.